Hey guys, Tiffany here from Investor Life. Just wanted to make a quick video. It's a little crazy to be doing this out here in minus 25, but wanted to just address this whole like cash flow issue that's come up lately, where a lot of people are saying, cash flow doesn't matter. Go for the big, rise in income and big equity swing. So, you know what? When we were starting out, that was kind of the thing as well. And it really tested our faith and ability to stick to real estate. And we saw a lot of people lose everything from that mentality. So we stick by the fact that cash flow is absolutely essential. It is not a break-even game. You need to have the property paying for itself, and paying for itself well. The only time that doesn't happen, and what kind of inspired this post, was this is our vacation property. So we're in Panorama, BC. It never gets this cold. Oh, I went the wrong way. There we go. Never gets this cold here, but it is minus 25. And you know what? It's a beautiful place, like stunning. But that's the only time when cash flow doesn't matter, because we're also getting a lot of personal use out of it. So it is our favorite place probably in the world. We use it, our family uses it, and so cash flow doesn't matter as much. But otherwise, unless you're getting a different kind of return, in this case a personal return on it, please don't buy stuff that doesn't cash flow. It's not worth it, and the emotional roller coaster that will take you on will take you out of the game. So cheers guys, we'll see you soon.